Welcome to Aliter, an IoT and automation company. In this demonstration, we will cover the use of robotic process automation technology to automate repetitive tasks within the business. Aliter's outcome-focused approach has helped many companies achieve greater results. With over 200 plus engagements delivered, Aliter brings the latest technologies to its customers' doorsteps. Aliter has partnered with major OEMs to deliver best-in-class products and services to its customers. One of Aliter's key partnerships is for TruBot from Datamatics. TruBot is a designer-based RPA platform with over 4,000 plus active bots and over 1,000 plus processes automated. Some of TruBot's key features include a universal process recorder and an integrated intelligent data capture, also known as optical character recognition. Below is a list of customers who have adopted TruBot as their RPA platform. Let us now experience TruBot in action, creating item master records in QAD ERP from an Excel input. As you just saw in the demonstration, the bot performed the below actions and also recorded the success and the error message back into the Excel file. As mentioned earlier, one of the key USPs of TruBot is its universal process designer. The bot that you just saw has been built using the designer with no coding or scripting required. We hope you have enjoyed the demonstration. For further information around the bot, please contact Aliter Business Solutions or visit our website at www.alitersolutions.com. Thank you and have a great day ahead.